rolling. We are rolling.
It is time. It is the moment of truth to connect a camera to a cell phone. What is the way forward, Guru?
Firstly, we need a camera. Wow, we have one.
Check.
Then we need an Android or an iOS device. We're using Android because that's what we have.
Fabulous. Next step, to actually put the camera on. Unlike South Africa.
5 minutes later.
Hi, so we're just about to connect my cell phone, which is an Android operating system, to a camera. Can it also do iOS?
Yes, it can.
A fab.
Yeah, fantastic. It's really awesome. So what you do is, the first thing you do is you switch on the camera. Okay, it's a little button over there. You need to press and it will switch on the camera for you. And then you press the menu button over here, and then you go to the Wi-Fi settings. It says Wi-Fi and communication settings, and you need to basically set it up here. So you have to say what's the nickname. I've just called it SX70 because it is an SX70, and by doing so we can connect the phone knowing that this is the camera that we want to connect. And once you've done that, all you need to do is press that button over there, and that will take you to a screen that looks like that. And because this is a touch screen, I can just touch there.
But what does that icon mean?
That means I can send it, I can print it from here. So you can link your printer to here and print directly from here. And if you have a cloud-based storage, you can also do the same thing there.
Okay.
So what we're just going to do is click set here and register a new device for the communications, and it's an Android device like she said, and say there. So now I want you to use your phone to do a QR scan, and it takes you to
Canon Kammerling. So now can I just open it, and we're just going to open that.
yeah.
And now it's asking me to register your camera.
So click on top there. Just turn it around so they can see, and then look for, it's called a bridge camera. You can't, or you can just type in SX70 and see what that is. And there we go. If you'll see, it actually shows SX70. And then you click on Wi-Fi at the bottom and say next.
So can you do Bluetooth, or is Wi-Fi just better?
Wi-Fi is better because the options are, you can only use it as a trigger with Bluetooth, but with Wi-Fi you can actually send the work through to your phone and back, as well as use it.
So that's way more versatile.
And very versatile.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, and then say yes while using the app, and now we need to go look for the Wi-Fi. So you need to go to your Wi-Fi settings. And while she's doing that, I need to click here, set to OK, because she's already scanned it. So now we're going to look here for SX70. You'll see it over here saying SX70396, and it's busy searching for it. And once it finds it, there we go, click on it. And then type in the password. It's connected there, we're good to go. And now all you need to do is go here, and go back to the app, connect this time one only, and there we go. It's connected. We go back to the app, and we just wait there. There we go. It's connected. I click here as well, so it says connected, and now we are connected. Now you'll see on the screen I can use a remote control to use it, or I can import the images that I already have. And if I click there, you'll see all the fun photos we have taken with this camera already. And if I click on that one over there, I can see, oh wow, what a beautiful photo. I would like to have that. Or no, that's a terrible photo.
That's a roof.
Yeah, it's a roof.
That's quite majestic, this.
Yeah, completely. And I'm going to say import. And then I can decide if I want to reduce the size, compress it to a video, or delete the local information. I can just choose the options available and then click on it, and it will download it directly onto my computer, my phone. And Then I have this terrible photo now on my phone. Forever until I delete it. And if I go back one more, I can now click here. I'm going to give you the camera to hold. And we're going to click here. And we can now take a photo of anybody from my phone.
That's what fancy, must say.
Okay.
Hope that helps, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask us.